This is POCO X5 Pro, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to begin with, make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi, then launch the Google Play Store app. At the search bar, type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for it to get downloaded and installed respectively. After that, you can just go ahead and open the app. In here, while launching the Opera for the first time, it is required that you undergo a very simple setup procedure. So tap at the blue continue button, then choose whether you would like to set Opera as your default browser app right off the bat, or you can skip this step and do that later on. And at this final page, you can either customize the permissions that will be granted to Opera, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching and bye bye.